Okay, amazing humans. For quarter 3, your independent reading is going to be a little simpler and a little bit more of a chance for you to share with other people. I've been reading all these great book responses, but you don't get to hear them. So I decided to switch that up a little bit. You're going to just record your regular reading response on a Padlet. So I have a sample here that I wrote, but you want to have the title and author of the book in the title of the post. Make sure you're logged in so that your name shows up with the post. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do a quick retelling of the story. So that's what this first paragraph is here. Then you're going to give the book a review out of 10 points. Then the last thing you're going to do is say who you would recommend it to. So I said I would recommend this book to people who love magic, fantasy books, poetry. So like who is the recommended audience and why? And to kind of set your goal, you'll be using a Google form. So we'll go ahead and fill this out today. And the other thing that many of you requested was a little bit more time to support independent reading. So every Thursday, we're going to have 20 minutes of reading time to help you meet your goal. If you are looking for reading resources, just wanted to remind you one more time about what's in the reading corner and all the cool things you can use. So I'm going to show you that right here. There's a great tab of things. What do I read next? It has a Padlet that my students did last year. This great website called What Should I Read Next, where you can actually enter in a book that you liked or an author that you liked, and it will give you recommendations. If I go Harry Potter, something that I liked, enter. Right under Harry Potter is a bunch of other suggestions. Maybe I want to read Quidditch Through the Ages. Maybe I might like Doctor Who. Maybe I might like Shakespeare. So obviously you don't have to follow the recommendations to the letter, but it kind of gives you a direction of things to check out. Also, don't forget the Wesleyan Librarian will also do a personalized book recommendation for you at this link. So that's always a good opportunity too. All right, happy reading.